Hey everybody, this is Jason DeZurk with Steve Reisner today. How you doing?
Great, thanks.
Yeah, okay.
Yep, I'm doing well.
And hey, before we get started here, I think it's Impaler. We want to thank you, or it's Dan Mill. We don't know who it is. But you see these mics here? Okay, see, we do listen. Thank you guys for helping us with that, right, Steve?
Absolutely, yes.
Yeah. So let's just get right into it. We're answering questions from frequently asked questions from the Talk Origins website. And here we go. It says this: why has no one ever seen a new species appear? Now that is the question this person asked to the Talk Origins people. And the answer they gave is speciation has been observed both in the laboratory and in nature. What do you think of that answer?
Well, I think this is actually a non-issue, really.
Oh.
Because I think speciation does occur, and it's not really contrary to creation theory. It doesn't work for one side of the argument or the other. It actually works really well with creation theory, just as well as it works with evolution. I thought something that was kind of funny about it, when you read their answer, though, and if you go to they have a special section you can go to for more information. And when they talk about that, about speciation occurring, you look and find out, and then they start to run around in circles trying to tell you what speciation is. They don't really give you a very good answer. And then when they describe what they're talking about when it happens, it's almost always man-induced. They made a fruit fly with an extra set of wings, or whatever it was. I mean, they changed flies, they changed plants, they changed microorganisms, single-celled organisms and stuff. So but really, this is a non-issue. It doesn't make any difference to me at all.
Okay, well, with speciation itself, though, I mean, because that has been an issue on the discussion boards that I've seen anyway. People are asking, I mean, they're basically saying, well, you believe in the kinds, and that you haven't really explained that well. And just trying to get people to understand, look, when you're talking about speciation, more or less, I mean, they're really talking about changes within a kind, even though they don't want to admit that. Is that?
Sure, yeah. And lots of there are different people who they complain.
I mean, I know you hate that term, everybody, kinds, that are evolutionists. I know you hate it.
That's exactly right. And they say, well, what is a kind? And then I tell them as close as I can, what a kind is. And then 2 days later, in the same discussion board, they try to tell me that no one knows what a kind is. I'm like, I just spent like 15 minutes telling you what a kind was. Mm-hmm. So a kind is as closely as I can relate it. It's basically of the order of family.
Okay.
In the kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species, and phylogeny, it would be probably most closely related to the family.
Okay, and was there, really, this is going to be a short video because that's really the answer we have. And is there anything else you'd like to talk about, quick or no?
Negative.
Alrighty, everybody, that's as quick as it's going to be. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.